Get into a car with value. 2023 Honda Ridgeline. Answer the call to adventure in this clever and capable Ridgeline. From its ingenious cargo solutions and smooth ride to its powerful performance and customizable all-weather driving modes, this versatile pickup is ready to take you places in can-do style. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, navigation system, keyless entry, all-wheel drive, moonroof, remote engine start, fog lamps, lane keeping assist. Get the pickup that has your back whether you're on a country road, city road, or no road at all. Test drive this extraordinary Honda Ridgeline.